So today we're heading to a little local wheeling place called Ruby Falls. It's not very far from home here. And we're just gonna go on a little overnight camping trip. We got the Zook loaded down heavy, camping gear, camera gear and whatnot. And just gonna go for a little sightseeing trip. Should be pretty cool. Man, isn't this awesome? Look at these super clear streams, like crystal clear streams. What a beauty of a place. You know, you guys, if we're gonna want to try and keep these areas open and to be able to continue to use them with quads and 4x4s, we need to adhere to the rules and, you know, go straight across the streams. The most direct route across the stream is the proper etiquette. You know, don't go taking your quad up and down the stream and washing it off, or your 4x4 or whatever. You make the most direct route, and that way hopefully we'll be able to continue to use these awesome areas. Let's get back to the trail. Oh, we made her to Ruby Falls, man. It was quite the trip. Had a little trouble with the Zook there right off the get-go. At home, had a couple springs come loose in the rear drums and made a wrong turn. Never been here before, so just trying to find the place. And wow, what a spectacular place. Scenery is unbelievable. Right at the base of the Rocky Mountains, it's unbelievable. It's beyond words. I don't know how to explain it. It's a pretty reasonable trail, and there's a couple spots you might need 4 low. It's kind of rough with the rocks and the river rocks and whatnot, but overall it's a pretty easy trail to do. I did a good chunk of it in 2-wheel drive actually, and I don't know how many hours it took me, good 3 hours to actually get in once I found my way in, but man, totally worth it. And I'll bet you that would be a cold shower if you wanted to have a shower in the morning. Wow. Wow. Falls, guys. We're on the trail out. I actually met a couple of guys, a group of Jeeps and whatnot that actually came along. They got here ahead of me and whatnot, and ended up being a real good time. And I'll be back. So if you guys are liking this sort of content, go ahead, please subscribe, share, like these videos, hit the bell to be notified for future videos. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at Fabbin_adventures. And remember, when you're in the back country, take out what you pack in, and if you find it clean, leave it pristine. Catch you next Friday.